Hello fam, glad to have you here today. Here is what happening in this video. We have this problem 21 to the power x minus 8 to the power x equals 377, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 377 into two numbers such as 29 times 13. Next, you are going to break down 29 into the summation of 21 plus 8 and express 13 as 21 minus 8. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 21 to the power 2 minus 8 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Hit like and subscribe to be part of today's adventure.